Hello everybody, if you're watching this, you're probably struggling with toenail fungus or nail health issues, right? And guess what? It's not your fault. Many people feel embarrassed and frustrated by this. But there's a good news and a solution that could change absolutely everything for you, okay? Kerassentials is a product that promises to restore your nails to their healthy, beautiful state. But is it true? Stick around with me because I have some important truths to share along with a few crucial warnings, okay? So guys, it's really frustrating to deal with toenail fungus or weak nails. You've probably tried creams, oils, and other treatments, but nothing seems to work. You're not alone in this battle. But what if I told you there's a simple and effective solution? Before we go on, let me give you an important warning, okay? Be very careful about where you buy Kerassentials. This product is only available on the official website. And to make it easy for you, I've left the link in the description and the pinned comment below, okay? So guys, this is essential to avoid falling into scams, so pay attention, right? Well, recent studies have shown that toenail fungus can be a major problem due to the environment it creates in your nails, which weakens them over time. But don't worry, because Kerassentials has been designed to target this exact issue. The formula works by nourishing your nails and combating the root cause of fungal infections. And Kerassentials, guys, is really different from anything you've tried before. Its unique blend of oils like tea tree, flaxseed, and lavender works quickly and naturally to target the fungus and restore your nails. With regular use, you start seeing healthier nails free from the persistent fungus that holds them back. And with Kerassentials, you can finally regain the confidence you've lost. People who've used it are reporting visible improvements in as little as a few weeks. And the best part, it's completely natural formula with no harsh chemicals, so you can trust it to work gently but effectively. And Kerassentials not only helps eliminate nail fungus, but it also strengthens your nails and prevents future issues. So remember, the results can vary, but many people start seeing changes within a month, with more significant improvements after 3 months of consistent use. And the best part? Well, Kerassentials is made with all natural ingredients and has no harmful side effects. And you can trust it completely. And if you're not satisfied, there's a money-back guarantee. That's right. If you don't see results, you can get your money back. No questions asked. So before you buy, remember the warning about the official website. Don't risk your health and make sure you're buying from the right source. Click the link in the description now to secure your bottle of Kerassentials and start the transformation your nails deserve. Say goodbye to false promises and take control of your nail health today. Well guys, I hope this review helps you just like Kerassentials has helped so many others. Leave a like on the video and comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!